ekigiansi kumete mono na kikinata I wanted to give a base so that gere nkoereze ntara respond ya maswali ya abiri.
Yes.
Jiskuru jaito. Infrastructure wise. In fact, they back to any Mangali Ngoro. Jiskuru njirolo, they are in a very bad shape. In Ataramni school, it is very, very bad. Koluya, Moliroga, Movasoka no Kavororo, a school Kaya. Kede school Yaya, Mojumbe Tanya Gotumana no Montachi Ororo. Lakini wana muna naikorolero, I'm sure bochaka mambingo chakali kwenda ororo kolegas. A school is really very bad. This is the basics. Nto wati megondoga iko manyete. Megondongo erego chia. We expect somebody umugondo buwaito oito bono iga na abana baito gosoma konyola education. Egere bende iskaria betegeme. Mabugatete. So looking at that one, if you less education on yama bagabuna ikwa igule our professionals when the konyola expose o interfere nechi basali ejinde jikoliyewa o interfere na not only lekonende abalimu bali tubonete ko bonete kwanda koligia infrastructure tubonete konyola school that alone will less orusi basali 10,000 yocha kwa abana be university 4,000 5,000 7,000 you are killing our future. What we expect you to utilize our resources well chibesa kwa iruje serikali tali chiao chibesa ni chiaito tukuruwe bango bagoli baitu bakuruwe bango kibako goreke biriti banacho bikaro bairu ebese yibonete ko bakonya and their future to gocha gocheka ne chibesa chito gocha gosera abantu. You are supposed to put this man into a pool, pick even if it's 20 doctors and to eno kurende pick 20 asi kurende to someri abana abu 20 bonzi baira ne bale junior surgeon nkiro cheketa chenjiro gura pick that one osomia abana baito to banyole specific no ne pilot. You'll have changed our society. So education, okay, number one. Chipara intuna abale milajiri echipare chitu chuko irebire ebimeli ito echiro njio. Look at our markets. Again to kyoko montara akore no kolcha kwa gachi banda via border nande ko brand. Nobody wants to know you. We already know you and we erected you. Ikocha kolosivi banda all over na ko brand. We are not here to market. We have voted for you, so we don't want to see your photos. Pick these things, pick this money, empower abana bangina baito banyore chiro banyora se bakore because akero ko ubeka abana abande kwaro ji accident chi abaga igabo baracho chi accident chi ko because you montata ketakorosie ke banda ali diribugango obeke bicha yawo ebika ali nande kagwa se ke bande gyacho goita abantu nenderi yakabere epa igoro lyo kagaya keumbu omontolo odonetiri ekebanda kejipigipigi oli nande otenene abana baitomba batumia ebibande ebinkwaro gente kingyarenge news class. This is our land not to go ira no mugondo ito oicho donate nyomba tubone tiko batene even one stop. You better remove it abana baito nabagwa kuno mugaso koso monto ndenererwe achaga ache, but you cannot stop people from using it. Ochake gutumia ngabate birega iga one. Nobody cares one time was it two time. What we care is the future of our people. Okay. And the politics now, don't politicize the egazi ya bana bande litukeli kwa sigete babere tritukuli matara kolegas aje the police gegache gekaigo e reason ngambalu zeti reflector chiao bakabekansi. You see, that is not the kind of leadership we want as Nyaribari. Umugondo ali aso gwaje teke banda kiline no yo ito 20 eke means eke negeito urigere libone game boundary chi ito gaiga mwana ndago soka chikwagache kurende obuge tutu station iga jogo uri kwagache obande kisali mbuge tutu bana aba ichijirani cheito mpaka bara ubacha kobolinga ki kwani nyabeli bali moma eti boundary ibintu binonga ibigete twaro robo soko. So these small things yoko onjoka niliga kaparacho okubutoire bo baracho unyebekre town orosi is a blockation. You need to consult abantu muna abantu baje ganto manyaine ntomanyite ngole halali ngaibo igete. So you need to engage abantu baito because you don't understand. That is the reason why we are coming in, and I'm coming in to solve all these issues in a professional way. Manonde background you understanding a kibintu bitu byachira and where we are no munyaribari you don't understand, you just want to do business nekwenda okore biashara nekwenda n'ekibesa jitu ne constituency yitu gwaka abantu jibicha ya ogwaka jibicha gwachiko nikoteba ngarigereria abantu mbwate bono mente gendo gaigango chukora kubakwanira. That is not the business we want. Nyachaina abagaiga is a billionaire, he has done a lot of things for Omugusi. No day omugaka nyacha tosigete mono anya gosoka guchaka kwenda konjukana na n'ekigari n'ekibesa konganga n'abantu agosera mba mubulia maswali nga yeparere aso osera za malibate nini tukura gacha lendo ne pale yumanya gocha kubasera. Today morning I was school wende gaiga kuru just a simple thing, a computer abekaya ne laptop ne computer ne print abana bali bagosoma now CBC egotakabaro rebinte physically okole 1 year utanya kwa nanone school yonye print abana bali bako imagine bagotewe kenege ntogete ba imagine because you don't want to go back there and it is not, this is just one case.
Yes, musikie